Hello YouTube! So today it's not a tutorial but a process on how I make patterns. So I use Blender for modeling because it's easy and free to use. This modeling took me about almost 2 hours. The steps on making models starts with the plane, and by using a reference on the back we can see which point or edge we need to extend the plane to. With no other 3D reference, what I did is just wing it and make it cool, like if it was on a 3D animation. So this might not be simple because this took so many steps. So as you can see, I'm using triangles and not squares because using square is glitchy when using the Pepakura viewer. So I just use triangles. So to make this similar to each side, I use a mirror modifier. As you can see, for those who know who I am a Filipino. I live in the Philippines. And for those who see my comments in Spanish or other language, what I do is just copy your comment and then translate it in Google Translate. On replying on that, I also translate my English to your language, like Spanish. So when someone comment like Spanish, all I do is copy it and then translate it in Google Translate, so I can reply on your comment. So after modeling the mask, I use Pepakura viewer, but you need to buy the editor one, the designer. You need a key for designing on this on Pepakura viewer. So after importing the model, so many times I decided to remove the eyes, like the eye holes, because it's so hard to make a pattern on. And then also decide to texture the mask if I wanted to, but since we're making it on cardboard, I just remove the texture and make it just a plain pattern for everyone. Here is the texturing part. So if you want the textured one, you can request it, and then I'll try to upload it on my blog site, the jetcrops.blogspot.com. You can download it there if you like. So this is the process on making models, patterns, and texturing. You can learn it on Blender. I recommend watching Blender Guru on YouTube if you want to learn about 3D modeling. So here's the process on making the pattern on the papers. So what I do is take the left side of the mask so we can mirror it on the right side. So it takes time to fit it on a page, but it's worth it, so we can save page and time. Okay, here we go. Thank you for watching.